Ladies and gentlemen, this video guide is about getting rid of Bestdealfor35.life pop-up windows. They mainly attack Google Chrome browser, and their mission is to deceive you with a lot of faulty messages. For instance, the pop-up says that you need to click on Allow button to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that clicking on this button is a serious mistake. Because of that, your browser will be hijacked and infected with a lot of intrusive ads. There will be pop-ups forwarding the browser to many unfamiliar resources on the web. So if the Allow button was clicked, the problem needs to be immediately fixed to prevent further unwanted browser redirections. So you need to do the following. Go to the menu of your browser, click on Settings, then select Site Settings, and now Notifications. Examine the Allow area carefully. So when you find this dangerous site, Bestdealfor35.life, click on this related button and remove the site from the list. Also, I recommend that you double-check your Mac with Combo Cleaner Antivirus for Mac. You may find its latest version on the website combocleaner.com. The program called Combo Cleaner is a free scanner. It runs a free scan, however, to remove the malware, the premium license is required, even though there are some functions which are absolutely free. They are disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. So click on Start Combo Scan to begin the research of your Mac. So this is the end of scanning of our Mac computer by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Whether it is in the trial mode or in the premium mode, the program performs scanning and analysis of your Mac computer. You may click on the antivirus area and then click on the link Review Results to see the exact threats and their exact location. And then you may click on this special icon that says Show in Finder. This will show you the location of each specific threads in Finder, and you may move this thread manually to the trash. What's good about Combo Cleaner, even the trial mode of it, is that it gives you the exact location and helps you remove each thread one at a time. Or, of course, you may get rid of all threads altogether automatically, but with the premium version only.